Hi, should you accept extracurricular activities at your school? Are you worried because you find yourself in a place where the authorities often ask you to get involved in extracurricular activities, especially after school hours? If that's you, then worry not because today's video seeks to address this issue. But before I talk about these things, I urge you to smash the subscribe button and, of course, check out my social media page. So, to quickly begin, what you have to understand is that extracurricular activities is part of your job as a teacher in a school in Thailand. Sometimes these things are mentioned in the contract, other times it's not. But if you're told to engage in such activities, do not complain. Accept it as part of your job and attend, because when you do this, it helps you to build connection. It helps you to create bonds between you and your students, and of course the parents. Most parents get engaged in extracurricular activities in the school, and this is a perfect opportunity for you to get to meet them. Another reason why you may want to attend these extracurricular activities is the very fact that it may help you to extend your contract in the school. Most schools, especially with directors, are quite pleased with a teacher that attends extracurricular activities because they feel like you're part of the team and they feel like you're easily manageable. If you tend to say no all the time, they'll feel like they can't control you, and this might just force them to let you go. So if you're somebody who likes the environment where you're working at and you hope to retain your job long term, then attending extracurricular activities is very important, and it should definitely be part of your responsibility as a teacher in the school. And the last point I wanted to have in mind is the very fact that attending extracurricular activities helps to build bonds between you and your colleague. When your colleague sees that you're always on site helping, they feel attached to you and they see you as part of the family, part of the team. They will definitely show respect and they will watch over your back. Yeah, they'll watch over your back, especially when there is an issue that involves you in school. You tend to realize that there are so many people who might vouch in a word or two on your behalf if something comes up. So working with them helps to build bond, and it also creates a protective layer towards your stay in the school. So my overall advice will be for you to accept doing such activities, especially if you are up to it and you're healthy. However, if you feel like you're sick and you can't participate in any of these activities, then freely say no and give justifiable reasons why you may not be part of it. Thanks for watching, and if you need help with your travel arrangement, feel free to get in touch. See you next time.